Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to enable the reader mode or reading mode in your Chrome app for a website. Say suppose if you want to load this particular website or this particular page, the content heavy page in the reader mode, what you can do is you can tap on this three dot option, go to settings, and within the settings go to accessibility, and accessibility you have this simplified view for web pages. Just enable this toggle switch, come back to that particular page and then simply reload. Now if the page is text heavy page, you will receive this new icon here which is a simplified view. Just tap on that icon and it will display you with the simplified view where no ads or nothing is visible, just the text, and you can read through that particular page. Now you also can customize this feature or the appearance of the reader mode, like select this three dot options and here choose the appearance, and you can choose from the light mode, dark mode or sepia mode, and you can also customize the font and the text family and increase the font size or decrease the font size. So based on your requirement you can just manage or customize this option in the reader mode, and once it is done you can just tap on this close icon here which will close the reader mode. So in this way you can enable and choose and customize the reader mode in your Chrome app on your Android. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Cheers, have a great day.